Hey guys, today we have a real quick video on just a real simple feature that's actually really nice in Fusion 360. It is the shell feature, which hollows out your parts. And so I've already made this little cup, if you will, and we're going to demonstrate it with that. We have the shell feature right here. So we'll click on that, and it asks us to take a face or a body. Right now I'm just going to do a face, so I'm going to click on this top one and drag this arrow in, and you can see right away that it is hollowing out this cup, which is really nice, so I don't have to do this features on the outside and then do the negative features on the inside, where it just does it all at once. Something to note with this bead that I put on the outside is that if you do have it thinner, it will pick up more detail. That could be something you want, that might be something you might not want, so just something to keep in mind. For this case, it's not something I really want, but I'm going to cancel that now and actually get rid of that bead to kind of showcase the other features. So we have another thing that we can do is we can select a body. This is something I actually didn't know about until prepping for this video, but I'm going to click right here on the body, and it actually will take away, instead of taking away this flat face, it's taking away this curved face and then hollowing out both sides, which is pretty cool. I really don't know how I would manipulate something this way, but I'm sure there's a lot of things I could come up with. And so you can see that it's hollowed out both sides, which is pretty cool. Definitely something to play around with. I'm going to undo that. And then the last thing we can also do with this feature is we can change whether we're going outside with the shell or both ways. And so, as you can see, I can actually widen the outside walls, and the original wall becomes where the inside hole is. Or I can do it in both directions, where you can see I'm pulling and pushing from the inside and from the outside. But all in all, that really is it. That is how to shell. Very simple tool, but again, it is something that you can really manipulate and save a lot of time trying to avoid doing extrusions for the inside cuts. If you found that useful, or if you have any questions, again, please put some comments down there. I'd love to hear from you. And if you like these videos, please subscribe, and I hope to be able to make more for all of you. So have a good day, and we'll see you.